All right, I got full travel to the one side. We're gonna do it to the other side. Kind of lubed it up. You can see it's still a bit dusty there, which I should blow it out. Let's see. I don't have much air pressure here, but it should help a little bit. Now let's see how this goes. Notice how the fan doesn't sound as loud anymore? As soon as you run it for a little bit, it sounds okay, but there's still a little bit of rattle. It looks like the bearing is probably shot on the actual fan itself. Not too much, but looking good. Looking good. I'm happy.